What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we've got a lot going on today. But before we actually get out to the shop and see what's going on, I got to get some E85, hint, hint, and I got to stop by the parts store and get a few things for Project 48. So without further ado, let's go. What's that?
I said I watched the channel. I thought I recognized.
Oh, I appreciate it, but I'm filming now. What was your name, man?
Courtney.
I'm Caleb. Nice to meet you, brother. I appreciate it.
I watched yours and Ken.
Hey, Kid.
I recognized last time I came up here, I ran into him filling up.
Oh, did you? It's like this one and the one at the next exit is only 85 you can get. It's crazy.
So I'll be coming over here to fill up.
Okay, yeah, it's crazy. We're about to start one of the cars, and I had to get some 85 before I go out to the shop. So, see you later, bud.
All right, nice to meet you.
You too, brother. All right, boys. We have arrived. Yes, I know, guys. One of these days I need to put my spare tire under the truck again. Today's not that day. We gotta go in there and put the C85 to use. What up? I got a full jug of corn. All right, guys, so today is officially the day. We're gonna make some noise. Is she ready to make noise?
Got to put fuel in it, set the fuel pressure, cranked up.
Yeah. First fire, gentlemen. Supercharged. And guys, this thing's pulleyed way down. This thing's supposed to make like 20 pounds, isn't it? Something crazy? It's it's gonna make a lot of boost. Like I said, I don't know if you caught the last video, but I mentioned the pulley that was on the convertible with this setup was a 375. This is a 337. So clearly she's gonna make some boost. But yeah, we're gonna get some E85 in it. Get the fuel pressure set and see if we can crank this bad boy over. All right, boys, here we go. Let's get this fuel pressure set. All right, wideband's lit, cluster's lit. Why's the cluster lit? It's all the way lit. I hear pumps running. Yeah, I can hear him running. Radio's firing up.
Turn it off for me.
Looking good?
Yeah. No, we're a long way from drinking.
It's not gonna be that loud
I
either.
gotta put some, I'll raise the door up stuff. I gotta put some trans fluid in it and all that too.
Yeah, we're gonna put some
I gotta check and see what he said set the fuel pressure in.
put some fluid in it. We already got the tune loaded in it.
Oh, you done that?
Or no?
No.
That was Lee's car. Or that was Jeremy's car. So we didn't put the tune in it.
The tuner's sitting there in the thing, yeah.
You want me to go ahead and put the tune in it? Right here. Alright, gents. If you remember a while back, we already got the tune put in the programmer. There's the server room. I like calling it server room. Everything's accessible. We don't use a glove box anyway, right?
That's right.
Ready to rock? Yeah. Alright. Turn the key over. Alright, so we're going program vehicle. Continue. Key is on. Preloaded tune support. Available custom tunes. It was the R1A, wasn't it?
Hey.
It was R1A, wasn't it?
Well, I don't know.
That's the only one in there. It's got to be it, and I put it there, so. Continue. Alright. She's loading. And here that fuel system is sucking up a lot of E85. Alright, boys, we're getting there. Alright. We should be ready to make some noise here in a minute, boys. I love that Innovate wideband. That's pretty awesome. Alright. Tune has been programmed. Done. Alright, turn key on. Alright, got it. You wanna do the honors? Up to you. Yeah, let's see what you do. See what that 3/8 exhaust sounds like.
Got a little mist to
it. Yeah, give it a minute there.
swapping these wires when it's in those deep.
Misfiring a little bit.
We'll try some.
All right. Just thinking it over. Yeah, it does. Smell that E85. That supercharger is definitely a lot louder. Yeah. All right, boys, so there you go. First fire of what could very possibly be the nastiest one yet. And here's the deal, guys. The supercharged convertible we did, which is basically the same combo with a lot less pulley, did 740 to the tires. So this one, making probably 20 pounds of boost, is gonna, this thing's easily gonna be over 800 to the tires. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. And I'm telling you, the Mickey Thompsons right there, they're gonna have their hands full. But in the meantime, a lot of little small things. Still gotta get a few things plumbed up and kind of put back together. But this bad boy will be on the track, barring anything unforeseen, at Ford Takeover June 6th. So don't miss that. Make sure you're there for that. It's gonna be the biggest one yet, and a whole heck of a lot of fun. And I'm excited to see this thing and feel this thing, because it's, good God, it's going to be nasty in a sub 3,000 pound car. All right, boys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed 800 horsepower supercharged Fox bodies, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and keep it tuned right here, boys. We got lots coming. Later.